So long, everybody. Thanks. Thanks. Bye. So long. Take care now.
Hey, everybody. It's time for Barney Says.
Hello again to all my friends. I'm glad you came to play. Our fun and learning never ends. Here's what we did today. Sometimes rainy days make us sad because we can't go outside to play. But there are lots of things you can do indoors to have fun. Have you ever pretended to camp out and tell stories? You can read books or do the limbo with friends. How low can you go? Tasha looked very pretty in the dress she made out of our parachute. It's fun to be a ringmaster in a pretend circus. Min was a dancer. You could be the lion tamer. Counting these sheep helped Jason fall asleep. Then they went right back into their storybook. Drawing pictures is fun on any kind of day. You can draw a mouse like this one. Maybe when the rain slows down, you can go back outside under a big umbrella with friends you love. And remember, I love you.
It's a beautiful day. Birds are chirping. The sun is shining. In fact, there's only one thing missing from this perfect day.
That's not my shadow.
I believe that's my shadow. Hi, everybody.
It's everyone's super-de-duper friend who's always ready to play. In the fun-filled Barney video, good day, good night.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun.
And just guess what Barney and all his friends want to do now.
I wish I could stay up all night long.
But it's hard to stay up all night. So Barney turns day into night in his very own special way.
This is my super-de-duper terrific night timer. It turns day into night. There's lots to do. Let's do it together.
And nighttime is the perfect time for a very purple pajama party. Get ready to laugh, sing, and dance your way through the night. And expect anything to happen. Because your special friend will be with you every step of the way.
Oops. Guess I didn't scare anybody, did I?
Mr. Sun.
It's a day and night of fun and games with one happy dinosaur and all of his great friends. So get your sun visor and your teddy bear. And don't forget your imagination. And get ready for a fun day's night with Barney's Good Day, Good Night.
Shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me.
Now available on home video from Lyric Studios. Not so far away, there's a wonderful wetland where nature comes alive like never before.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy!
It's a magical place full of laughs, songs, and lots of friends.
I am Hegdish, explorer extraordinaire.
Welcome to Groundling Marsh, home to some of Mother Nature's most delightfully unusual characters. Join Galileo and Maggie, Echo and Crystal, Mudslinger and Hegdish,
Did somebody mention my name?
and Stax as they share an adventure after adventure and learn many valuable lessons.
How do you feel about sharing Marigold Pop with Maggie?
Get ready for plenty of laughs and a whole lot of fun when you come on down to Groundling Marsh, living proof that Mother Nature has a sense of humor. Don't miss Groundling Marsh now on public television.
Have you ever seen anything like that in your life?
Check your local listings or call your public television station for the viewing time in your area. And watch for Groundling Marsh on home video. Available this spring from Lyric Studios.
Groundling Marsh.
He's everybody's favorite pretend playmate.
Hi, everybody.
He's always ready to have a good time. And now, he's going on the adventure of a lifetime. So grab your imagination and hop on board Barney's Adventure Bus. And just leave the driving to you-know-who.
And away we go!
It's Destination Imagination as Barney and all his pals turn their favorite places into Barney-sized bus stops.
You can go anywhere if you just pretend.
First stop, Barney's Peppy Purple Pepperoni Pizzeria.
The Pippy Popple Pipoloni Pizzeria?
We'll have to make it a dough first.
Then, get ready to ride out into the wild, wild west with Barney as your sidekick.
Barney, when I said 10 gallon, I didn't mean this big. Yeehaw!
This bus stops at all the great imaginary playgrounds. So hurry up and get a window seat because this is one bus ride that can't be missed. And one bus driver you'll never forget.
And you were the best bus driver I've ever had, Barney.
Barney's Adventure Bus. Rolling into home video now from Lyric Studios.